Modern Public Administration, an overview of the theoretical journey. Modern public administration has undergone a theoretical journey, evolving and developing over time to address the complexities and challenges of contemporary governance. This overview highlights key theoretical perspectives that have shaped modern public administration. 1. Classical public administration. The classical perspective, often associated with the work of Woodrow Wilson, focused on the separation of politics and administration. It emphasized a hierarchical structure, a division of labor, and a focus on efficiency and effectiveness in delivering public services. The principles of bureaucracy, as outlined by Max Weber, also influenced this perspective, emphasizing the importance of rules, specialization, and impersonal relationships in administrative systems. 2. New public administration. Emerging in the 1960s, the new public administration, NPA, challenged the orthodox notions of public administration. New public administration, NPA, criticized the neutral and value-free approach of traditional public administration and called for a more responsive and participatory administration that addresses social equity, justice, and public interest. It emphasized the need for public administrators to be more aware of the socio-political context and advocate for marginalized groups. 3. Public choice theory. Public choice theory, associated with scholars such as James Buchanan and Gordon Tullock, applies economic principles to public administration. It views individuals as self-interested actors who make rational choices. Public choice theory emphasizes the role of incentives, market-like mechanisms, and competition in shaping public administration and decision-making processes. 4. New public management. New public management, NPM, emerged in the 1980s as a response to the perceived inefficiencies of traditional bureaucracy. New public management, NPM, emphasized the application of private sector management techniques to public administration, focusing on decentralization, performance measurement, market-oriented reforms, and customer satisfaction. It aimed to enhance efficiency, effectiveness, and accountability in the delivery of public services. 5. Governance and network theory. With the increasing complexity and interdependence of societal issues, governance and network theories gained prominence. These perspectives emphasize collaborative approaches, networks, and partnerships among public, private, and non-profit sectors. They recognize the importance of shared decision-making, horizontal relationships, and stakeholder engagement in addressing complex policy problems. 6. Public value and public service ethic. The concept of public value emphasizes the need for public administration to focus on outcomes that benefit society as a whole. It emphasizes the value creation for citizens and the public interest. The public service ethic emphasizes the importance of professionalism, integrity, and a commitment to public service values in the conduct of administrators. 7. Post-New Public Management. More recently, a post-New Public Management, post-NPM, perspective has emerged. It acknowledges the limitations of NPM and focuses on a more balanced approach that combines efficiency and accountability with values such as equity, social justice, and sustainability. Post-NPM highlights the need for contextual responsiveness and adaptive governance in addressing complex challenges. These theoretical perspectives reflect the evolving nature of modern public administration. They have influenced the design and implementation of administrative systems, management practices, and public policy approaches. Today, modern public administration encompasses a range of theoretical perspectives, aiming to balance efficiency, effectiveness, equity, and public value in governance and service delivery. Theoretical perspectives in modern public administration. 1. Public governance. The concept of public governance recognizes the need for collaborative and networked approaches to address complex public problems. It emphasizes the involvement of multiple actors, both governmental and non-governmental, in decision-making and implementation processes. Public governance emphasizes transparency, accountability, and citizen participation in shaping public policies and service delivery. 2. Collaborative governance. Collaborative governance builds upon the idea of public governance and focuses on the importance of collaboration and partnerships among various stakeholders. It emphasizes the role of collaborative networks, shared decision-making, and co-production of public services. Collaborative governance recognizes that many public problems are too complex to be addressed by a single entity and require collective efforts. 3. Public service motivation. Public service motivation, PSM, is a theoretical perspective that explores the motivations, values, and attitudes of individuals working in public administration. It emphasizes the desire to serve the public interest, make a positive impact on society, and uphold public values. PSM suggests that public administrators who possess intrinsic motivation for public service are more likely to exhibit higher levels of commitment and ethical behavior. 4. Complexity theory. Complexity theory recognizes that social systems, including public administration, are complex adaptive systems. It focuses on understanding the dynamics and interactions within such systems and highlights the importance of flexibility, resilience, and learning. Complexity theory suggests that public administration needs to embrace adaptive approaches, experiment with innovative solutions, and engage in continuous learning and adaptation. 5. E-governance. With the advent of digital technologies, e-governance has emerged as a key theoretical perspective. E-governance emphasizes the use of information and communication technologies, ICTs, to transform the delivery of public services, improve efficiency, enhance transparency, and increase citizen participation. It explores the potential of digital platforms, open data, and online engagement to create a more accessible and responsive government. 6. Ethical administration. Ethical administration focuses on the ethical dimensions of public administration and the moral obligations of administrators. It emphasizes the importance of integrity, fairness, and ethical decision-making in the conduct of public officials. Ethical administration theories provide frameworks for addressing ethical dilemmas, promoting ethical behavior, and fostering a culture of integrity within public organizations. 7. Social equity and social justice. The theoretical perspective of social equity and social justice highlights the importance of fairness, equality, and inclusion in public administration. It emphasizes the need to address systemic inequalities and ensure that public policies and services benefit all segments of society, particularly marginalized and disadvantaged groups. This perspective seeks to reduce social disparities and promote a more just and equitable society. These additional theoretical perspectives contribute to the ongoing evolution of modern public administration. They provide insights into the challenges and opportunities of contemporary governance, emphasizing collaboration, ethical conduct, adaptive approaches, and a focus on social equity and public value.